Why and when must the compressor and cooling systems and/or heat pumps be overhauled? Regular maintenance of the compressor, especially the replacement of bearings, is crucial for the operational safety of your cooling system. This prevents costly and unexpected failures, ensures smooth operation, and extends the lifespan of your system. To better understand the strain on the bearings, let's compare it to car maintenance. Imagine your car travels about 100 kilometers in 1 hour. After 80,000 operating hours, it would have covered 8 million kilometers. A typical car has a lifespan of about 200,000 to 300,000 kilometers with regular maintenance. Our systems and their bearings are just as robust and durable. They can be compared to a car that has circled the Earth more than 100 times. This comparison highlights how resilient our compressor bearings are, but also why an overhaul is necessary after 100,000 equivalent operating hours. The bearings endure immense stress over the years. In particular, starting the compressor puts a significant mechanical strain on the system. How does a compressor overhaul work? The compressor is removed according to a scheduled appointment and brought to our workshop for overhaul. There, we first inspect its condition and immediately begin the refurbishment process. The compressor is completely disassembled, and old bearings, seals, O-rings, and solenoid valves are replaced. During this process, we also check for any additional potential damage. For minor damage to the shaft running surfaces, metal buildup is an option. Scratches or damage on these surfaces can lead to performance losses and are often early signs of more severe damage. If desired, the motor winding can also receive a new insulation coating, ensuring it is well prepared for the future. Once all components have been inspected and all wear parts replaced, the compressor is reassembled, undergoes a functionality test, and is prepared for shipping to the construction site. There, it can once again reliably perform its task, ensuring cooling or heating supply for our customers.